I think when you're investing, not having a plan that you're investing to, it makes it very, very easy to make the wrong decisions, because if you don't know where you're going, how do you know whether you're making the right decisions in the short term?
A long-term property plan really allows you to map out how you can achieve your income goals from property and work out the pathway to get there through property purchases.
There are so many things happening in the world of property, and so when you know you have got something you're aiming towards and you will likely hit it based on the averages to date, it's very comforting.
I think using game plans, that gives our clients the ability to be able to reverse engineer what their end goal is and then show them a path on how they're actually going to be able to get there.
If you're a property advisor or a property planner or a buyer's agent, you may not be buying the right property for your clients because you don't know their full picture.
When it comes to clients, I think the biggest thing is that no two are the same. And when it comes to long-term goals, some people want long-term as 5 years, some people want it as 25 years, and it's interesting how we separate that.
And so not every single client is on the same property investment journey, and Game Plans gathers the client's information and then builds out a client journey that is specific for that client, as opposed to trying to be a one-stop shop for everyone.
It 100% caters to your personal situation.
Some people earn a lot of money and they need to, get more of a growth focus. Some clients need cash flow focus. Some clients need a bit of a mixture of both. And that's where you factor in inflation, debt to income service ratio. Are you going to have children? Are you going to be taking a holiday? Is someone going to be taking time off work? All of these things need to be encapsulated into the property plan.
Game Plans builds in all of the variables of life, right? There's a lot of things that we can account for and there's a lot of things that we cannot account for.
It's not a static plan. It's not a piece of paper. It is an online platform that you adjust as you go along.
We're actually in a very niche industry with buyers advocacy, and it's actually the only software that offers the solution to our clients in the marketplace.
Without it, we can't build the strategies that we need to get our clients to that next goal.
The client can actually see themselves getting closer to their end goals. I mean, they can jump into the software whenever they want to and be able to see where their property values are up to, how much equity they have in those properties, how close they are to then purchasing the next property.
Lots of people have to sell property in the short to medium term because they didn't have a plan. Look, once upon a time, we were developing property plans with this massive set of Excel spreadsheets that we'd built and producing 150-page reports. And it wasn't sustainable. Game Plans basically replaced all that.
I've witnessed other people's approach and it's chaotic, it's messy, not much clarity around what asset classes are required. There's no Excel sheets, there's no tabs. It's very practical. And the feedback from my clients over the last 2 years has been very positive.
From an implementation perspective, whether we've got one client and we're a new buyer's agency just starting out, or whether it's our case where we're one of the largest in the whole country, the synergy is still there, the flow's there, and the process and service levels are there.
There is a little bit of time to embedding it into your process, but from then on, the time savings are all yours and they compound over years. And you're ahead of the curve with adapting and implementing new software into your business.
Game Plans saves us a lot of time and money because we aren't needing to be tech people or people that really need to know everything and anything about a plan. The fact that the system is so simple yet handles complex scenarios ensures that we can focus on clients and what they want to achieve rather than have multiple multi-layered phone calls with no clear direction that could go in any way and change just based on how the client feels one day versus the other. The idea here is to have swim lanes of goals that we want to hit and get there. And so when you have a client that doesn't have all the scatter of thought and it's actually put down into a plan, that makes sure that we can save time and help the clients actually achieve results.
All the key number crunching and cash flow management and compounding out of future property returns is done automatically.
Everything is done via technology and there's no human interaction until we're actually doing the game plan session, which is well into their journey. So it saves us having staff to be able to collect the data and then process that data and then naturally build out all the stuff that Game Plans does automatically.
We are not experts in strategy, and I think this is very important for a lot of buyers agents out there, is you're the expert at finding, negotiating, and securing a deal. You should be outsourcing the expertise of a strategy to not only a person, but technology and a person together. And that's the amazing thing about Jordan and his team. They're qualified property investment advisors that give the right information to the clients, but also a platform that allows you to grow and scale as a business yourself.
Whether we were operating with a low base of clients when we first started, or whether we're operating at the level now, being one of the largest buyers agencies in the country, we're able to ensure that it's allowed us to scale and remain as seamless as it was when we first looked after one client.
He's built a really good system. We've been able to scale 30% of our clients into their second property in 2 years.
When working with anyone as smart as Jordan is on the data and tech side, the unfortunate sides can usually be that people are too technical and you can't get to a solution that's for the customer. This isn't the case for Jordan. He's someone who gets people, gets customers, but also gets the tech. And that's a breath of fresh air to ensure that we can evolve together based on some of the complexities that come up in our clients' lives. He can ensure there's a solution for it on the platform.
Jordan's an absolute expert when it comes to property strategy. The team are unreal, super reliable, always there. Any question that you have relating to the platform, any question that you have relating to the outcome that's come from the platform, they're only a message away, a phone call away. So I love working with the team. They're always there for me.
And they gave me the confidence that if I did implement this system, I'd have the support around me as well.
So data privacy at the moment is obviously a huge topic, and the great thing about Gameplans is all of our clients' data is encrypted, and they also have the option to go in, edit and delete any of the information whenever they choose to.
So from a perspective of safety, risk management, Gameplans has always assured us, and we've assured our clients.
If you're a buyer's agent, using Gameplans is going to take the legwork out of so much of the number crunching for you.
If you're in the business where you're servicing clients and you're helping clients build up a scalable property portfolio, well, I can't see why you wouldn't use this system.
I needed the best outcome for my clients, I needed the best strategy for my clients, and that's exactly what Gameplans offered me.
If I wasn't using Gameplans and my competition was, I'd really want to know about it, and I'd be really concerned that I was falling behind.
Like, why wouldn't you use a system that is essentially going to be helping you and helping your clients achieve their goals? Like, it's a no-brainer.
For anyone hesitating around the use of Gameplans, the key is a happy client is a clear client, and you want to give that to them from platforms like this.